Hi, guys. Thursday, last day of April. Wow. Okay. Geometry. Let's do video. Let's do both videos on angles, right? So AN01 and AN02. So it's angles. I think the first video has a lot to do with just like general angle rules. And then the second video is more about parallel lines with a transversal, which is super, super incredibly important in geometry. In fact, that's one of the things that they're doing now in the geometry class is they're talking a lot about how angles can be proven that they are congruent, meaning the same, adjacent, vertical, corresponding. You need to know all those relationships. And those types of things are more, gosh, really, they're more memory-based than anything else. The key rule in angles, though, and is a lot of things in geometry as it relates to shapes, is if the angles of the shapes looked at the same size, they pretty much are. So that's one thing that I might even talk about in the video. Okay, so both angle videos for today, and that'll round out the rest or this week in terms of the geometry. If we're in algebra, let's just continue on with watching those videos under Unit 1. I think that we should be at a pretty good part in rational and irrational, radicals. We should have done that whole family of radicals videos. So let's get to the next thing, which I forget. Might be exponents, but I didn't talk about exponents a whole lot this year. What is it? Yeah, exponent rules. Let's go to exponent rules. That's somewhat important. You can skip scientific notation and Pythagorean theorem because those are lame. You can go right to expressions or solving equations, right? So exponent rules and then solving equations and expressions, okay? Because those are really important too. That's it. Tomorrow, I will likely go live for at least a little bit with the purpose of helping you do fantastic on your performance final that will be on Thursday of next week. So I'm still going to give you material to do next week. Performance final will be Thursday what is Thursday? The 8th? 7th? I know. I didn't know, Titan. I'm sorry. So it's the 7th. So your performance final is on the 7th. I will go live tomorrow, which is Friday, for a little bit to just kind of help you out, just to get your mind right on what types of questions I'm going to ask. And then we can go. Don't do it. And then we can go from there. All right. Titan says goodbye too. Goodbye.